No revision destroys learning. Lethargy ruins family life. Apathy a danger to one's beauty. Dhammapad 241. 4 formulas have to be memorized. Non-repetition is the rust. For house, the neglect of the image is the rust. For complexion, non-caring is the rust. For a garb, heedlessness is the rust. For oral tradition, non-reaction. In householder life, non-exertion. The fear of form when solvently a century slot all blemishes. Dhammapad 241. Asajjhayo mola motta anuttano mola ghara মলং বন্যস্য অসহ্যজং প্রমাদ রক্ষত মলং। Dhammapad 241.